He called him a katwa, a Mussalman Atangwad. Birla ji did nothing. You failed not only Danish Bhai, but you failed 200. And अरे आप बताना बंद कीजिए मार्शल साहब, वो चेयर पे बैठे हैं आप नहीं. Birla ji did not allow a discussion of the special intensive revision in Bihar, allowed only a larger electoral reform discussion. The Prime Minister is too scared to come to this house, and the Speaker is covering up for him in this ridiculous manner, denigrating women without any substance.
Bereft from this type of sly remark.
No, once again. No, once again.
लोकसभा के स्पीकर ओम बिरला के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव पर जोरदार तीखी बहस देखने को मिल रही है सदन के अंदर। और सबसे ज्यादा इन दिनों अगर किसी का बयान वायरल है, किसी का भाषण वायरल है, तो वो है टीएमसी की सांसद महुआ मोइत्रा का। और उन्होंने जिस तरीके से, जिस बेबाकी अंदाज में सदन के अंदर जो भाषण दिया है, लोग तारीफ करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। जी हां, आखिर ऐसा क्या कहा जिसको लेकर आज खुद अमित शाह जी को भी जवाब देना पड़ेगा। कहा जा रहा है कि आज लोकसभा के अंदर तीखी बहस देखने को मिल सकती है। याद करिएगा वो दिन, वो समय जब रमेश बिदुड़ी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सांसद और दानिश अली भरे सदन के अंदर, लोकतंत्र के मंदिर के अंदर क्या कुछ नहीं कहा था। तो क्या उस वक्त लोकसभा के स्पीकर ओम बिरला साहब ने क्या उन्हें पद से हटाया? क्या उन्हें संसद की सदस्यता से उनको बाहर किया? क्या सदन की कार्रवाई से उनको बाहर किया? जैसे आज के हालात में लगातार पिछले सदन में भी कई सांसदों को जो निलंबित किया गया, वो विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, और इस सदन में भी, इस सत्र में भी सीढ़ियों पर बैठकर विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। महुआ मोइत्रा ने कहा, लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को विपक्ष का माइक बंद करने में महारत। महुआ मोइत्रा का तीखा हमला तो मच गया हंगामा। महुआ मोइत्रा यही नहीं रुक रही है, क्या कुछ कह रही हैं बताने जा रहा हूं, लेकिन उससे पहले जरा उनका वीडियो देखिए।
अरे आप बताना बंद कीजिए मार्शल साहब, वो चेयर पे बैठे हैं आप नहीं, वो बैठे चेयर पे आप नहीं, आप बताना बंद कीजिए माइक पे। 120 suspensions have been done by Birla ji alone, and they were all Lok Sabha, they were all members of the opposition. Zero NDA. Let us now look at the numbers for previous speakers. The country has a right to know these statistics. In Somnath Chatterjee's time, 2004 to 2009, only 5 MPs were suspended. Never once Rule 374A used. 4 were suspended due to irregularities in MP lads, and 1 was suspended due to some impropriety on an MP tour. Somnath Chatterjee was a UPA nominee. He presided over turmoil in the House. There was Advani ji was LOP at that time, but he never suspended NDA MPs. He never throttled their voice. He was called headmaster because he used to always scold MPs. He even went so far as to say that you all are misbehaving so much, you should not be allowed a penny of the public paisa to be spent on you. But even then, he never suspended anyone. Then we come to Meera Kumar ji. She was also an UPA nominee. She was Speaker 2009 to 14 when Sushma Swaraj ji was LOP.
Honorable MP,
she suspended.
Once again, I would like to remind you
sir.
that any MP who suspended is not suspended by the Speaker. The House suspended.
I'm glad that you have been reminded of this by the Honorable Marshal, and I will take your point. And I will
There is a process, there is a procedure.
Yes, sir.
There is a process, there is a procedure.
All right, sir. He presided over it.
The process is followed.
Yes, sir. He presided over it, sir. I will change my terminology thanks to the intervention from the Honorable Marshal. Thank you very much. Perhaps we should add a 10th member to the panel. We should add a 10th member to the panel. But anyway, I'm joking, sir. I'm joking, sir. I'm joking, sir.
One second.
All right.
Please hold on. Please hold on. No, this cannot continue like this.
Yes, sir. All right.
This is not done.
Okay, sir.
This is not done.
Sir, let me go. I apologize. Sir, let me go back.
Her previous sentence is removed
yes,
from
sir.
the record.
Okay, yes, sir. All right. She suspended. She is suspended.
One second. Yes, sir.
This type of sly remarks should be removed, and I request the chair to caution the member to bereft from this type of sly remark.
No, once again.
सुना आपने? महुआ मोइत्रा कह रही हैं कि स्पीकर ने विपक्षी सांसदों के माइक्रोफोन बंद करने की कला में महारत हासिल कर ली है। वे स्पीकर के खिलाफ लाए गए अविश्वास प्रस्ताव पर अपनी बात रख रही थी। मोइत्रा ने बिरला के खिलाफ लाए गए अविश्वास प्रस्ताव का समर्थन किया। उन्होंने सदन में बहस के दौरान संसदीय प्रक्रियाओं को लेकर कई आपत्तियां उठाई। आगे जरा मैं लेकर चलता हूं। कह रही है मोइत्रा, वो आरोप लगाते कह रही है कि सदन में भेदभाव होता है, सत्ताधारी पार्टी के सदस्यों को अंत तक बोलने की इजाजत मिलती है, लेकिन जब भी विपक्ष अपनी बात रखने की कोशिश करता है तो उनका समय कम कर दिया जाता है। मोइत्रा के अनुसार स्पीकर ने योजनाबद्ध तरीके से विपक्ष की आवाज को दबाया। उन्होंने कहा कि यह सिर्फ सांसदों की नहीं बल्कि उन 41 करोड़ भारतीयों की आवाज दबाने जैसा है जिन्होंने विपक्ष को चुनकर भेजा है। और दोस्तों, आप सभी तो देखते ही रहते हैं और कई सारी आजकल तो सोशल मीडिया का जमाना है, मीम का जमाना है, मीम्स भी ऐसे ऐसे जो है वायरल होती हैं। आप देखिएगा कि जब स्पीकर सत्ता पक्ष से कोई बोल रहा होता है तो मुस्कुरा रहे होते हैं, जब कोई विपक्ष की तरफ से बोल रहा होता है तो थोड़ा सा अग्रेसिव नेचर में आ जाते हैं। अब हालांकि मीम्स का जमाना है, लोग इस तरीके की फोटो शेयर कर रहे हैं। क्या कहा जा सकता है, जनता है, जनता ही जनार्दन है। सुनिए क्या कह रही है महुआ मोइत्रा।
In 2012, Sushma Swaraj ji, then the BJP's leader in the Lok Sabha, even said not allowing parliament to function is also a form of democracy like any other form. That we have also seen. So in the Lok Sabha, past speakers have allowed not just the LOP but also senior members to intervene in debates. For example, former Prime Minister Chandrasekhar ji, when he came back in 96 as the sole member of the Samajwadi Janata Party, often stood up and was allowed to speak. In March 1997, Biju Patnaik ji intervened. There was a Madhya Pradesh BJP MP called Sundarlal Patwa who asserted that the mandate was not actually for Deve Gowda, but the mandate was that of the BJP's nationalism and the BJP should be allowed to form the government. And Biju Patnaik intervened very sharply and he said, you people talk of nationalism. Do you know what is nationalism? You cannot know it. His Rashtravad is breaking up the nation in 20 pieces. Patnaik was neither asked to sit down, nor was the House adjourned by the then Speaker. Contrast that with the current Speaker. In the last Lok Sabha, the 17th, he perfected the art, or under his guardianship, the art of switching off the mics of opposition members mid-sentence, of ensuring Sansad TV paid for by taxpayer money blacks us all out. And when we stand up and he says this is a technical glitch, that's okay, we believe it, but I'm just pointing it out. It has become a joke within us opposition members that when we stand up for a 0 hour or a supplementary question, we are cut off in 30 seconds saying, Sankshipt mein boliye, Sankshipt mein boliye. And for treasury benches, people are allowed to speak endlessly, make unfounded allegation, lies against all of us. The government has made a circus of parliamentary democracy, and if the Speaker is going to concede to being a complicit ringmaster, it is a very sad day for Indian democracy, a very sad day. In March 25, a delegation of India Bloc MPs met the Speaker. We submitted a letter raising 12 issues, including the failure to appoint a Deputy Speaker, denial of the opportunity to speak to the LOP and other leaders, disregarding the decisions of the BSC. During his term, the Honorable Speaker has systematically throttled the voice of the opposition and by default, the representative voice of 41 crore Indians, 410 million Indians. That's who we represent here. He did not allow a discussion on Manipur. We had to move a no-confidence motion just to have a discussion on the issue. Do you remember? I remember the MP from Manipur, Dr. Bimol Ekojam. He stood up close to midnight and with such anguish in his voice, he told us that this state of Manipur has been excluded from the national consciousness to the point of invisibility. He had to be given the time at midnight. When BJP MP Ramesh Biduri stood in this house.
सुना आपने, महुआ यही नहीं रुक रही है। महुआ मोइत्रा ये कह रही हैं कि ओम बिरला पर सांसदों को सामूहिक रूप से सस्पेंड करने का आरोप लगा रही हैं। वो कह रही हैं कि भारतीय संसद के इतिहास में सबसे ज्यादा सांसदों को इसी कार्यकाल में निकाला गया। ये सांसद संसद की सुरक्षा में हुई चूक पर सरकार से जवाब मांग रहे थे। उन्होंने दावा किया कि सस्पेंड होने वाले सभी सांसद विपक्ष के थे और सत्ता पक्ष का एक भी सदस्य इसमें शामिल।
And he called Danish Ali, another fellow MP, and I'm going to repeat these words because the country needs to remember this was said in this house. He called him a Katwa, Musalman Atangwadi. Birla ji did nothing. You failed not only Danish Bhai, but you failed 200 million Muslims of this country who put their head on their forehead on this soil of this thing. Ramesh Biduri continued the rest of the term merrily. He was never suspended. Birla ji did not allow a discussion of the special intensive revision in Bihar, allowed only a larger electoral reform discussion. On every matter of national importance, we have been disallowed adjournment motions and debates. On each one, I am not yielding. He's an MP, he's not a minister. I'm not yielding to him. On each one, on the Hindenburg issue and the Adani government nexus, you disallowed the motion. On Chinese aggression into our territory, you disallowed a motion. On the one-sided Indo-US trade deal, we had to learn from the US president there's been a trade deal. The government didn't tell us. You disallowed a motion. On the Epstein files, a sitting cabinet minister has a mention of 430 times. Heads in the world over have rolled. You have not allowed us a discussion. Every time we MPs from Bengal have demanded answers as to why the central government is starving Bengal of funds, why our people are being starved of their rightful dues, the Speaker has allowed the treasury bunches and ministers to systematically heckle us and dishonor us and humiliate us.
महुआ मोइत्रा नहीं रुक रही है, कह रही हैं कि डिप्टी स्पीकर का पद खाली होने और सांसदों के रिकॉर्ड को निलंबन पर भी सरकार को घेरते हुए नजर आ रही है और कह रही हैं कि डिप्टी स्पीकर का पद तो खाली है, वे स्पीकर के खिलाफ जो है लाए गए अविश्वास प्रस्ताव को जो है समर्थन में भाषण कर रही हैं। और ये बयान, ये भाषण लगातार वायरल है। भाषणों में उन्होंने कहा कि किस तरीके से सदन के अंदर इसी लोकतंत्र के मंदिर में किसी सांसद को बीजेपी के सांसद द्वारा क्या कुछ नहीं कहा जाता है और वो तो बकायदा बताते हुए नजर आ रही हैं। जरा सुनिए।
On February 2nd, Birla ji disrupted the LOP's motion of thanks, citing rule number 349 and 353 to bar quoting from an article from the Army Chief of Staff memoirs. First they said LOP should authenticate, then they barred him from authenticating. Yet on February 4th, a BJP MP designated as prime heckler by the treasury benches furnished books within the house and continued for 3 minutes. Then rule number 349 was not applicable. It is absolutely incredible, the show of partisanship that the Honorable Speaker informed this House that he had advised the Prime Minister not to come to the House as there is a danger from women MPs.
Yes.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute, I'll be concluding. The Prime Minister is too scared to come to this House and the Speaker is covering up for him in this ridiculous manner, denigrating women without any substance.
Honorable MP Shri T.R. Baluji.
No, sir, I have not finished. 1 minute, I have not finished. I have got my last sentence. Speaker Saab,
You already spoke
sir.
for 20
no,
minutes.
I have
You
got
already
28
spoke for
minutes.
20.
My party has 28 minutes, sir. She is the chief whip. She is the chief whip. Speaker Saab, you are no longer fit to conduct the affairs of this House. I will end by saying to the Honourable Speaker what Oliver Cromwell said to the Parliament in 1653 and what UK Conservative backbencher Leo Amery told the British Prime Minister Neville Chamberlain in 1940. You have sat too long here for any good you have been doing. Depart, I say, and let us have done with you. In the name of God, go.
Honorable MP Shri T.R. Baluji.
तो दोस्तों सुना आपने, महुआ मोइत्रा टीएमसी की सांसद जिस बेबाकी अंदाज में ममता बनर्जी रहती है उसी बेबाकी अंदाज में सदन के अंदर उनके सांसद भी अपना तेवर दिखाते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। दोस्तों महुआ मोइत्रा ने जो ओम बिरला के खिलाफ जो बोला है, क्या सच में यही और सांसदों को बोलना चाहिए? क्या सच में जो है पक्षपात सदन के अंदर होता है? क्या सच में विपक्ष नेताओं को कम समय मिलता है, पक्ष के नेताओं को ज्यादा समय मिलता है? आपको क्या लगता है कि सच में माइक बंद किया जाता है? फिलहाल के लिए दीजिए इजाजत। आपकी जो राय होगी वीडियो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर दीजिएगा। धन्यवाद।